I am tell you how it is completely with green power and D share company. So it is two bulbs. First open this one. So I already all made, so it is easily open. I think this one first open. So first put in scissor into it. First all, made all, put scissor and press and pull something like this, and give one clip, so it is a LED panel inside. Now okay, again scissor, pull this lid off. So this lid is little bit tightly, I think. One. So wire are break down, and this is a clipped. So there is LEDs, and this is I also open other one. So there is a green power bulb. So it is a 12 watt, 13 watt bulb. So there are too much light LEDs inside, and this one is 12 watt in the less LEDs. Compare with these. This is a 13 watt. It is a too much LEDs, and 12 watt is only few LEDs. There, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 LEDs in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 LEDs in there. I mean 16 one is I am down too time. So there are circuit first. This is circuit. This is a butt regulating circuit. So there are capacitor, electricity capacitor with capacity of 450 volt and capacity 5.6 microfarad, and small assembly bit full bridge rectifier, and other capacitor 250 volt 2.3 microfarad, and inductor and summit capacitor and assembly resistance 50 kilo ohm, and this 2 ohm resistor and butt IC, and this is a butt inductor. Now do a circuit first. For this we do 1 ohm. Which one is there? There is 1 ohm. There's 1 ohm full bridge rectifier, Samulin capacitor, which is 5.6 microfarad, 450 volts, and this 3 resistor, which is 10 kilo ohm resistor, and the 150 kilo ohm. These resistors 3, and 100 is other resistor is 150 kilo ohm, and cross 2.2 microfarad capacitor in, and this IC 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 pieces of resistors in their inductor, output 2.2 kilo ohm discharge resistor, capacitor 3.3 microfarad, 450 volts, and A7 reverse diode, and this is unknown chip, and rectifier MBR10. Now open this. There are glue, first aid scissors. One thing I am telling, this bulb internally has a heat sink. So it is this stuff acts like the heat sink. When you this is a heat sink, so this is a top metal top with it as what as heat sink. When you put LED in something like that, this LED bat heat sink is attached into this metal, and this is also long extension of this heat sink. It is help to provide more lawn. Open this one. First glue inside, removing glue. Now I open it. First opening I put this lid, so it is mounting there. This is a wire in hold up position. Now I just pull in, put this, open this and set the internal wire inside the lid. So one wire is metal, this metal, and other wire is pin. So pin wire easily removed, so I put the pin out for this pin. Remove a pin wire. Now remove the metal case wire. just setting setting this one. So just it is after setting it is not at right now. Now you can see they are same at bridge to diode as well as this capacitor. This capacitor is there are two capacitor. Capacitor is 2.2 microfarad, 400 volt and 50 volt 2.2 microfarad and 2.2 microfarad 250 volt. In that right the butt boost IC and some other things, other base resistance. First those wire to directly bridge rectifier mean this 1 ohm fusible resistance. This case that those MBR10 same number of the magnetic diode as well as 400 volt to 4.7 microfarad. In this case 5.6 microfarad as well as the positive dose to this diode, something like to diode to this inductor, same as this. So positive dose diode to inductor, same as here. So inductor also draws in capacitor, which is 250 volt 2.2 microfarad, like that. There's 450 volt 3.3 and little bit different value, all set it is same. So there's inductor and there is this charge resistor also draws this capacitor is 2 kilo ohm, same as there. And output and this capacitor connect with this capacitor 2.2 microfarad 50 volt capacitor. 24 mega ohm resistors. This connect this negative as well as connecting this chip pin number 1. Terminal of this bridge rectifier is negative terminal to IC, and this negative bridge rectifier negative as well as the capacitor negative 2.2 microfarad 50 volt, other 2.2 microfarad 50 volt other capacitor pin to connect IC. This pin, these IC are on build MOSFET IC, and there is a solder output for LEDs. All LEDs is series. There is also series in all LEDs, but there are molecular style plug to plug in this connector some source. So if these type of lights are burned, you can change. There are two types. These two lights. One lamp is burn LEDs and other lamp burn is power supply. You can replace other working lamp working this module for now. This is an inbuilt MOSFET chip, same as this one. This one is also built on-built MOSFET plus voltage sensing pin. So when you see in there, this resistor is a voltage sensing resistor. So which means there are MOSFET connecting drain source in there, and drain is connecting there, and there is connecting into the IC. It is also inbuilt MOSFET is also inbuilt in this IC. Not in this IC data sheet, but might be thin. There are MOSFET connect to source in there, drain is there to discharge this coil, and there are some this is a value settable resistors, which means this resistor can set brightness to the lamp. So this is also sense voltage in this pin. Thus this is a limit voltage with this capacitor can help to stabilize or smooth the resistor limiting in voltage. And there's these two different company bulbs. All circuit is same but little bit difference, component difference. All circuit is same size, same mate, different company. And this is also clipped with that. You can use a screwdriver to lift these pins to outward and pull this out and change it. So there is bulbs, LED bulbs inside. So these are two bulbs. Internally same tub as same. It's a metal tub. It is also metal tub. There's company different. Green power. This here. This is a 12 volt, 12 watt, and this is a 13 watt. Both bulbs are same. It is inside all these bulbs. This is all inside these bulbs. And you can use a home lighting LEDs, decoration LEDs, and something like that, or 3 volt or 5 volts, any kind of LEDs. Put in the LEDs in this tub and close this diffuser to the light and put this rim. I think use this one. This is also I put a remove out rim, wipe off to this hole and put in the back diffuser and use for 5 volt USB lamp, your table light and anything you want, or if you make your own circuit and all certainly close this bulb and use to your own custom made bulbs. And this video is done with. I'm next to you very soon. A button boost, not a boost button voltage, which means input 220 volt. It is in a 222 input to output 60 output, which means when I running these LEDs into lab bench power supply and other kind of things light up chargers 12 volt, it is not running at all. So I am not sure why it is, but maybe this LED is above to 16 volt, I mean 60 volt or below to 60 volt, and might be it is not running for normal 12 volt chargers or 30 volts. I am testing these LEDs with minimum 1 to maximum 30 volts. Never any LEDs were all LEDs in